Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today with some more glam DIY ideas to share with you. I'm going to be taking these items here and creating these decor ideas. So I need you to grab your tea/coffee and a muffin or a donut to go with that, and then let's get started. Alright everyone, we have these 3 vases here from the Dollar Tree, and we are gonna glue them together with some hot glue going down the side. So I just put the vases together, hold them, and spray the glue in between the vase, and I'm gonna hold it together for a little bit, let the hot glue dry, because it does take a second to dry. And you can use some E6000 or any other adhesive that you'd like for this. For this purpose of the video, I'm using the hot glue, but for a stronger hold, you can use the E6000, or like I said, any glue of your choice. So we're just going to continue going down the 3 sides and hold it each time for the glue to dry. And now we're going to use this gold ribbon from BeeBeeCraft. It's gold and silver. I like it. Look how it's sparkly and nice. I love it. And I'm just going to use some hot glue and glue it right around our 3 vases. If you're new here, I'd like to say welcome. Thank you for clicking on today's video, and I hope you will press that subscribe button and ring the bell so you'll become part of the Glamster team and get notified every time I upload another video to share. And if you're my oldie and my goodie, thank you so much for coming on and seeing today's glam DIY ideas that I have to share. And I hope you guys will also give me a thumbs up. That would be greatly appreciated. Press the thumbs up button. Thank you. And now we have these clear gems here. I got mine from Dollarama, but they also have some nice clear gems that you can get from the Dollar Tree. I always use those ones too, but these particular ones are from Dollarama. So now we're just going to use the hot glue and glue them down inside the space of each vase to help hide where the glue went. So I'm just going to use the hot glue and put them down, and like I told you before, use any adhesive that you would like to do on your crafting project today.
I won't let them defeat us. We'll be fine, girl. I know I can lead us. I'm feeling the vibe inside. I know you're down by my side. Baby, it's okay.
And now we have this 3-row chain here from BeeBeeCraft. Look at all the sparkles. I love this chain also. So I'm just gonna glue it going right around the 3 vases. I like this 3-row chain. It makes it much easier. Instead of looping it 3 different times, I just go around once and I get the same effect that I want, instead of going 3 times around using the single chain. It's just this, it's really nice.
No one can tell me who to love. No one can tell me who to love. Loving you is wrong. I don't wanna be right. tell me who to love. And no one can tell me who to love.
Alright everyone, my battery died and I did not realize. So I was, working away, talking to you guys. OMG. Anyways, what I did was I put some gems going along the top and the sides. And these are the gems I use. I got them from Dollarama over here. But you can also find them in Walmart. And I just placed them going down the sides to add some more glam to my decor. And here is our finished look, our 3 vase decor. I think it looks absolutely beautiful, and it's gold and silver. Yes. And the beads coming down and our glam gems too. I think it's absolutely beautiful. And the gold and silver ribbon from BeeBeeCraft and the gold and silver 3-row chain. Oh, I think it looks beautiful. A lovely piece of decor for your table for this Christmas. And here it is with some floating candles inside. And here it is. Oh, I think it looks absolutely lovely with the candles inside. And I got the candles from Walmart, you guys. Walmart has these floating candles. They're absolutely beautiful. Actually, they're not really floating candles. They're the tea light, the large tea light candles. And I just took them out the little silver package and dropped them in the water. And it's just because the floating candles are very expensive. I don't know if you guys know that, but they are very expensive. So I came up with this idea and it worked. And it looks absolutely beautiful. And here it is with the lights out a bit more. It makes a lovely setting for your table. And here's how it looks with some flowers inside. I think it looks lovely with the flowers also. And you could use any color you want. Any color for your table. Or if you want to place this somewhere, anywhere throughout your home, it makes a lovely flower arrangement. Yeah. Alright everyone, tell me what you think of our 3 vase decor that we put together and added our little glam to spruce it up. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. But leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think and whether you like it with plain like this, which is absolutely lovely as a statement piece on its own, or you could add the candles and it's nice when it's dimmed with the floating candles inside, or you could have it with the flowers and have it anywhere throughout your home. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. 3 beautiful decor ideas. So leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think. And I will leave a link down below in my description box to BeeBeeCraft, so you guys can go over there and click on the links and check out some of these glam bling wraps and chains for yourself in the gold and silver. I think they're absolutely beautiful. And once again, if you're new here, welcome. And I hope you'll hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to ring the bell so you'll be notified every time I upload another DIY to share. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone.